Alam mo ba na may bagong paraan na ngayon para kumita online? Yes, it's called social commerce. Hindi mo na kailangan ng sariling produkto. Hindi mo na rin kailangan ng sariling website. At mas lalong hindi mo na rin kailangan ng matinding technology skills, okay? Sa social commerce is a plug-and-play system that lets you earn by promoting digital products, physical goods, and even automation tools gamit lang ang phone mo. Dito sa social commerce ay content plus community plus system equals income. Ganun lang kadali guys, okay? And in the next video guys, I will show you exactly how to use it. Ang tanong dito ay ready ka na ba to become a digital entrepreneur? So if you find value to this video, comment next para sa ating next video to learn more about social commerce.